Hello and welcome to Your Path for Adult Learners, where we provide 24/7 online GED and HISET preparation courses, as well as our TABE skills building courses. So on today's Focus on the Test mini lesson, we will be discussing a problem that you will see on your actual test. Also, you're able to participate in the lesson by clicking on the link in the very top of the right screen, so you're able to determine where you stand academically as well. Also, I want to say thank you to our subscribers and encourage our students to continue the excellent progress that you're making. So now here's what a test item may look like. If Tammy brought 12 lemons for $4, then how many lemons did Marvin buy for $10? And here we have our 5 options. We have option 1, 18, 2, 20, 3, 24, 428, and 530. Need your high school diploma? Your Path for Adult Learners offers 24/7 online GED and HISET preparation courses for adults that are seeking to earn their high school credential. Learn more about our program at yourpathforadultlearners.com. So now, in order to solve this problem, you want to make sure that you are familiar with proportions. And when we talk about proportions, we're actually talking about the relationship between two things in terms of their quantity. So in this case, we're looking at what Tammy purchased in lemons per cost versus what Marvin purchased in lemons per cost. Okay, so now that we have determined that, we need to find out, how do we set up our problem so that we can solve it? Where are you going to use the information that's given to you first? So in this case, we know that Tammy purchased 12 lemons and she paid $4. Okay, so here we have lemons equals cost. We're going to write that. You can also write T for Tammy and then M for Marvin. So now, according to our question, we do know how many lemons Tammy purchased, and we know that she purchased 12, and we also know how much she paid. She paid $4, so that was the cost. Now, in terms of what or how many lemons Marvin, we do not know that information. So we're going to use X as our unknown. However, we do know that he paid $10. The cost was actually $10. So now that we have our problem set up, we're going to now use cross multiplication, and we do that by multiplying X times 4, and when we do so, we get 4X, and then we're going to multiply 12 times 10. And when we do so, we get 120. And so now we need to solve for X, okay? And we do that by dividing by 4 on both sides. This will allow us to then cancel out our 4's on the left side so that we're only left with X. And then when we divide our 4 into 120, we get 30. So now we know our unknown, X equals 30. When we come over here to our options, we can see that option number 5 is the correct choice in terms of solving this problem and answering our question, which once again states, if Tammy bought 12 lemons for $4, then how many lemons did Marvin buy for $10? And having solved our problem, we know that Marvin purchased 30 lemons for $10 because the value of X equals 30. And so therefore, we're able to then cross out or eliminate options 1, 2, 3, and 4 because we know that they do not apply. So now, in order to successfully solve these types of problems, you want to make sure that you are very comfortable with performing multiplication as well as division. We do have a list of videos on multiplication where you can look over those videos to build your skills. Also, our TABE courses will actually give you the opportunity to build your skills in lower mathematical operations so that you're able to successfully solve more advanced problems. So good luck testing. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification button down below so that you're notified on our new releases. Also, join us on our other social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.